If you want to send money from Wise to a bank account in India, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap Send. Next, choose whether you're sending money from your Wise balance or directly from your linked bank account. Select the currency you're sending from, for example, USD, Euro, or GBP. Now, choose Bank Transfer as the delivery method. If this is your first time sending to that recipient, tap Add Recipient. Select Someone Else, then choose India as the country. You'll need to enter the recipient's full name, as registered with their bank name, account number, and IFSC code. Make sure all details are correct. Even a small mistake can delay the transfer. After entering the details, type the amount you want to send. Wise will automatically show the exchange rate, the transfer fee, the exact amount the recipient will receive in INR. Review everything carefully, then tap Confirm and Send. Finally, choose your payment method and complete the transfer. Transfers to India usually arrive within minutes to a few hours, depending on the payment method and bank processing times. And that's how you transfer money from Wise to an Indian bank account in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple finance guides.